bitches. Today we're making a cheeky Vimto. You remember this. Well, hello there. Welcome back to the pump room. And today is not like any other day. Like, I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long.
What is it?
You know, the thing.
What thing?
It's the thing, Ali, the thing.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah, that thing.
Oh,
the thing here.
Oh, it's not obvious enough.
Whatever. Look at this. This is almost as gay as me. Hey girls. Today we're going to be making the drink of all drinks, the lifeblood to my soul. My soul. And for those of you who know me, know how much I adore this liquid. And for those of you who are getting to know me, strap in, it's going to be a wild ride, because today we are making the cheeky Vimto with the one and only, the original VK. We are going all the way back to the 2000s. That's right, when you started clubbing and found out what this delicious liquid was. Let's roll back the clock. Let's go and explore the cheeky Vimto and the wonderful things that VK has. These guys came out in 1998 and paved the way in the club and bar scene and into our hearts. Brightly coloured and tasty as and they're still here. I'd like to say that I behaved on this, but this stuff led to some of my best nights out and a lot of Britney Spears. So all we're gonna need is ruby port and VK blue. Yes, blue is a flavour, asshole. And then, because you're regal as you're gonna use a wine glass. Do you know why? Because I love you, bitch, and I ain't never gonna stop loving you, bitch. We're gonna fill our wine glass with ice all the way to the top. Okay, so we're gonna whack in 25 mils of our ruby port that we got from Tesco because we're so fancy. Right in we go. Oh my God, look at that, babes. We're building the foundations for a good night out, innit? And once you've done that, you're gonna get your everyday bottle opener and support system and open your VK. Oh my God, that smells good. And then we're gonna just whack in as much as we can, probably the whole bottle. Ooh, here we go. Nice and slow so that nothing pours over the edges, because you're a professional, babes, and you know how to pour a drink. And once you've done that, we're gonna get our bar spoon, or just your spoon, whatever you want. Remember, long spoon lives in a bar. We went over this, we've been over this almost every episode. If you do not get it by now, then like, we can't be friends, I'm sorry. Give it a lovely little stir. Ooh, look at that purpley colour. Looks just like Vimto, except it's a bit cheeky. And if you have these lying around the house, because you know what, you went on a health kick during lockdown, and you were just like, you know what, screw it, or you just like them, just like, you know, whack a strawberry on the side. Make it well posh. Little raspberry as well. Ooh, I'm so excited about this. And there you have it, your cheeky Vimto. I'm just gonna cry, I'm just so happy. Oh my God, this drink just takes me back. So the dude who came up with this, his name's Steve Perez. And like, the cool thing he did is when VK launched, he got an old Bentley and he wrapped it in VK. So he basically had a VK Bentley, which, if you know me, that is a personal dream of mine. I would love to have a VK Bentley. I'd just love to have a Bentley, but wrapped in VK, it's the dream. Also, this guy never went to university, so you don't really need to go get a degree to do some big things or to change people's lives. You changed my life, sir. Definitely changed my life. As you can see, we have a range of flavours. I'm loving the bright colours. So we have our tropical flavour, our cherry and star black cherry flavour, our watermelon flavour, this is a personal favourite of mine, our orange and passion fruit flavour, our apple and mango flavour. Look at that green. Oh, it just looks like a wonderful garden, doesn't it? And then we have our strawberry and lime. I see you, those of you standing strawberry and lime. And then of course, the classic one, the beautiful blue flavoured. Like we said, blue is the flavour. And then our brand new one, raspberry and peach. Looking for a champagne bucket near you. You thought this was over? It's not over, because I've got one stonker of a drink for you next. So this is a drink that a friend of mine lived on for years, and I still drink to this day. And the bar that we frequent serves them, that brought these into my life, have just changed my world. This drink that I'm talking about is called the Green Monkey. What is the Green Monkey, I hear you say? Well, it's VK Blue, vodka, and energy drink. A recipe for a great night. And do you know what we're gonna put it in? A decanter. Do you know why? Because this deserves to be on show. On show. You are regal as f***. So, we're going to whack in 50 mils of vodka and we're going to use our jigger, but if you want to eyeball it, that's up to you, babes, but drink responsibly. Whoop. Then we're going to whack in our energy drink. This is getting excited. This is getting really excited. This is like...
This is ridiculous. You put energy drink in a decanter.
Once that's in, we're going to open our VK Blue and we're gonna put the whole thing in. We're gonna give it a little swirl. Do not shake it, it will explode and this will shoot out like a bullet. Just give it a little woo. It's already fizzing. And there you have it, our green monkey. And now we're gonna enjoy it in one of our best glasses. Pass me the really regal champagne coupe. Yeah, the long stem one.
This one?
Yeah. Ali. Oh my god, that's like my last one. Oh, I think I might have one more left. New rule, you don't polish. You don't polish glasses like that. Now that that's done and aged, let's enjoy some. What does that taste like? It tastes like your best night out. All right, you bunch of Leisures. All right, you bunch of legends. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got new videos every week, and if you're missing out on it, then you suck. Big thanks to Charlotte and Charlie from VK for hooking us up, and I'm gonna go enjoy myself now. Oh, and by the way, I have a hammer.